In this video, we're going to cover setting up the height resume for the header on an S700 Series John Deere Combine. So we'll start from our main menu, and they'll have this auto control button here. You'll select that. Then you have your various settings for your height sensitivity and all that. You'll select this auto control icon in the lower part of the screen. You'll make sure your height resume is on. You can toggle that on or off right here. We'll make sure that's on. Then we'll close out of that, back to our main screen. And in order to adjust this, you'll have to have the separator and the feeder house running. So we'll engage the separator, and we'll engage the feeder house. And at this point, we can go over to our handle with our 3, 2, 1 buttons here. And if we select our button number 2, it will drop the header down. And then we can use this forward dial on the armrest to control our height. So we can scroll it up or down one click at a time to adjust it up or down until we get it where we want it to be. Then we'll select the number 1 button. That will raise the header. So there we can, once again, use this forward dial and adjust how high we want that header to come up. Once we get it set correctly, that's all you have to do. You simply will then continue to hit your number 2 button to go down, your number 1 button to pick the header up. And if you want to change any of the settings, you can go back into that auto control screen, adjust how fast it raises and lowers, how sensitive it is on approaching that height as well.